Anytime you get in your RV and go on a trip, there is going to be some headaches, heartaches. It's going to be a roller coaster of emotions for most people. And there's an 11-word phrase that really helped me program my mindset to stay in a good mood while I'm out here on the road. And it's such a powerful saying that I thought I would make a video all about it this morning. This phrase really can apply to anything in life. It's not just RVing, but really applies to RVers especially. And I'm not trying to go motivational speaker or anything on you guys. This isn't going to be a normal type of video that I make, but there's something about programming your mind and having the right mindset while you're on the road. It's so important to know what you're getting into and then keep the right mindset. So the 11 words that my good buddy Jamin taught to me, and see, these are the problems that happen. Like, I'm filming this video right now, and Sadie decided it's a good time to start eating. Yeah, it's okay, sweetie. I'm not gonna get mad at her, guys. You know, that's it's a little bit of an obstacle. I'm trying to film this right now, and you might hear her chewing kibbles, but hey, if that's the biggest problem I got, I'm doing really good. Those 11 words can be applied to anything in life, really. And when you're driving a motorhome, you're going to run into so many little different obstacles, and it's so easy to get frustrated. I've met a lot of couples, actually, that get in an RV and they think it's going to be this journey of singing Kumbaya and having a good time. And, you know, they pull into the RV site, and I'm showing up to wash their motorhome because they want to keep their stuff clean. And, they're, cussing and screaming at each other. And I always try to say, hey, if that's the biggest problem you've got, you're doing really good, because really any of us that are operating these RVs are extremely blessed, extremely fortunate to be able to live this lifestyle. And I mean, these are toys. This is a complete luxury. There's nothing and no reason for anyone to feel sorry about someone operating a toy. Because you're going to have problems when you're playing with toys, and that's what this is. So a lot of people, it's really easy. I'm gonna adjust a little bit into a different sit a little bit. Literally, her food bowl just happened to be right next to where I was sitting there. Hopefully you guys don't hear that background noise as much, but yeah, I've met so many different people where it's, life is just too short to obsess over little problems. Now, I'm kind of like a OCD kind of person. I went to a boarding military school in high school. I grew up working at a Mercedes dealership that was, really held everyone to the highest standards. And I've always really kind of obsessed over perfection, and really just had to kind of reprogram myself in this RV lifestyle for me to get maximum enjoyment and really enjoy myself. Anytime something bad happens, if I can program myself to say, hey, if that's the biggest problem we got, we're doing really good. It's been huge. It's been extremely powerful in me being able to just keep a good mindset, and I have a lot to be thankful for. It's unbelievable how many opportunities I've had, especially with this YouTube, and just so much to be thankful for. But a big part of that is just constantly programming, never get stuck up on any single problem, and try to focus on the good. And hey, if that's the biggest problem you've got, you're doing pretty good. So I'm not trying to go all Dr. Phil on you guys, but maybe this video will help some of you guys think about, what's going on in your life, and what problems you have, and there's serious problems. I mean, there's definitely a time, a time to cry. There's a time to mourn. There's definitely problems, and there's going to be problems that are so big that it's going to break people's spirits. But that's different. Those problems do happen, but don't get caught up on all the little problems. Just think about it for a second. Think about all the other people in the world. I sound like my parents right now, but seriously, I see a lot of RVers that sound like kind of whiny crybabies, and thought I'd make a quick video this morning. So greatly appreciate all of you that are watching these videos and subscribing to the channel. I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.